Hello developers, so in this video we will make a login and sign up page in HTML and CSS. So this will be an easy video for you and it will be a learning experience for all of you on how to quickly make a login and sign up page. So this is our sign up page and this is our login page. So let's quickly move on to the project. So what you will do, just open your VS Code and create a folder and just create 3 files: login.html, signup.html and style.css. Okay, let's create our login page. Let's name our title as login. Let's name our first class as form container. We will make a heading login. Then we will use a form tag and there we will use certain inputs like email, password and button. So required functionality, what it will do, it will just force the user to type on the correct email so that he cannot quit this section. Again required, and now we will create a button. Button type will be submit. We will use class btn in button. You can name it anything. So now what we will do, we will just make on another section. Just create an anchor tag also so that the user will be redirected to sign up page. Paste on the link of your sign up page. I have pasted down here. So now our login page is done. We will just link our CSS also. So let's see. Okay, so it is looking like this. Do not worry, when we will connect the CSS, it will look like that we saw at the starting of the video. Now we will paste on certain sections. So here placeholder is also working. So let's create a sign up page. Some things will be same. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's copy down this section. Let's add one more input. That will be for the name. The input type will be text. Okay, this required will be outside. So we will make another confirm password text box input type. Now let's change this button as sign up. Let's make another section like we did previously. Okay, so we have connected the login page. If the user has already signed up, then he will be redirected to the login page. Let's link CSS. Okay, our sign up page is also ready. Let's check it. Okay, so it is looking like this. Now we have to create it like this UI. Now let's style our CSS. So the first will be font family. So this will be white. Display flex, justify content center, and align item center. Height I am taking as 100 VH. Margin is 0. Now let's target our form container. The background will be white. Padding I am taking as 30 pixels. Border radius as 10 pixels. Now we will target box shadow. Width I am taking 100% and 400 pixel. Okay, it is looking like this. Now let's target our heading. So margin bottom is required. So now we will target our input field. So width I am taking 100%. Padding 15 pixel. Border radius as 5 pixel. So I am taking border as 1 pixel solid and white. Font size I am taking as 16 pixels. Now let's target our button. So background color for button will be same. Let's not take a border here. So cursor pointer, so that when we move a cursor on the button, then it will show like this arrow icon. Now let's put a hover effect on button. So let's change the color on mouse center. So little bit of lighter shade of blue will be there and a mouse will enter. Target for this class, for sign up, login link. So now our styling is complete. Now let's check the progress. So you can see that our login page is ready. So guys, this was our basic project of login and sign up. So do not worry, I will paste down this entire code in the description. You can refer it from there, and I hope that this was a good learning experience in this video. So if you like this video, then like it and subscribe to this channel.